Today I will be teaching you guys how we guys can stop backup in Google Photo, which means when you click a photo and it get automatically backed up into Google Photo, well, I will be showing you guys how you guys can stop it, because if you don't stop it, then basically all of your data might finish up just backing up your photo because Google does it automatically. So let me show you how to turn this setting off. First, you want to open Google Photos, because you need to change the setting from inside Google Photos. Once you're inside Google Photos, at the top right corner, it's going to show you the current Google account. So click on the picture of your current Google account and click on where it says Google Photos setting, which is the second last option. So right now I'm currently backing up every single thing on my this account. So it's showing me backing up to 1 to step. So I'm going to click on the first option, backup, and it's going to bring me over here. Now over here, as you guys can see, it's backing up all my stuff. So at the top, you can see this option backup. Just turn it off. Once you turn it off, you have done it. You have turned off backup, which means now photos are not going to automatically be backed up in your Google Photo account. So that's how we guys can stop backup in Google Photos. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel 1 step. I will see you guys next time.